Today you are going to learn how to start an Etsy shop from zero. In 2026, if you are a complete beginner and you want to make money online, this guide is for you because many people start an Etsy shop with excitement. They open the store, they upload one product, and then nothing happens. No views, no clicks, no sales, and they quit. But the truth is simple. Etsy works, but only if you do it the right way. So in this video, I will show you everything you need to start and grow your Etsy shop step by step. Let's begin. Step 1, create your account. Go to Etsy and sign up using your email. Then click on Sell on Etsy. Now you will start setting up your shop. Choose your shop name. This is very important. Your shop name is your brand. Make it short, easy to remember, and easy to spell. Avoid long names. Avoid difficult words, because if people cannot remember your name, they will not come back. Next, choose your language, your country, and your currency. Now your shop is created, but it is empty. So now, let's move to the next step. Create your first product. This is where most beginners fail, because your product page is everything. It is what people see and what makes them decide to click or leave. So let's do it right. Start with the title. Your title needs keywords. Keywords are the words people type in search. Think like a buyer. If you wanted your product, what would you search? Use those exact words. For example, instead of writing modern aesthetic printable wall, art design, say wall, art printable, minimal design, simple, clear, searchable. Now images. His is one of the most important parts. People do not read first. They look first. If your images look bad, they will not click. Use good lighting, clean background, high quality. If possible, show your product in real use. For example, if it is wall art, show it on a wall. If it is a template, show how it looks on a screen. Now description, keep it simple. Explain what the product is, what the buyer gets, and how to use it. Avoid long, confusing text. Make it easy to understand. Now pricing, do not guess. Search similar products, look at prices, stay competitive, do not go too cheap, because cheap can look low quality. Now set up payments, add your payment method, add your billing information, and now your shop is live. But here's the truth. Opening a shop is the easy part. Getting sales is the real challenge. So now, let's talk about how to get traffic, because traffic equals sales. If no one sees your product, no one buys. The main source is Etsy search. So you need keywords. This is called SEO, but do not overthink it. Use real words that people search, add them in your title, your tags, and your description. Strategy, upload more products. Do not upload one and wait. That does not work. You need volume. The more listings, the more chances to be found. Now let's talk about what to sell. If you are a beginner, start with digital products. Why? Because you create once and sell many times. No shipping, no inventory, no stress. Examples, printables, templates, plan, and yours designs. Now physical products also work, but they require more effort. You need inventory, shipping, and time. Now, let's talk about consistency. This is the difference between people who fail and people who succeed. Most beginners give up too early. They try for 1 week and stop. But Etsy takes time. You need to keep going. Upload, improve, test, repeat. Now, customer service. Very important. Answer messages fast. Be polite. Be helpful. Good reviews will grow your shop. Bad reviews will slow you down. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake 1, bad images. Mistake 2, no keywords. Mistake 3, only one product. Bad mistake 4, no consistency. Avoid these and you are ahead. Now, let's answer the big question. Can you make money on Etsy in 2026? Yes, but only if you treat it like a real business, not a quick trick. You need good products, good presentation, and smart strategy. After this, you now understand how to start an Etsy shop from zero step by step and how to grow it the right way in 2026 if you want. Next video can be best products to sell on Etsy.